Jesse, how sustainable is it for President-elect Biden to not answer questions about this, but to only say he's proud of his son?
He's going to hate Peter Doocy over the next couple weeks. Good for Peter. At least he has what it takes to ask these questions. I heard they had a big call this afternoon with all the reporters. No one asked about Hunter. So I think, yeah, that's going to be a pain for Joe. But here's where we are here, Dana. The Chi-Coms were wiring the son of the VP, the nominee for president, millions of dollars. The wires were so suspicious, the banks even said, hey, what's the money for? And they asked the Bidens wouldn't say. Instead, the Bidens went on a $100,000 shopping spree. iPods, fine dining, five-star hotels. Hunter's getting diamonds from tycoons. He's getting wires from Russia. He's spending it on women being trafficked. He's setting up meetings between his dad and the Ukrainians. Some of the money's actually going to Joe's brother, who, as you said, now has a business venture under investigation. One of the other Chinese guys, he got popped for bribery. And what'd the Chinese do? They wired Hunter $1 million for a retainer. Didn't help. Guy got locked up anyway. That's the third Biden family business associate that's been locked up. And then Tony B says, you know what? Joe's really the one behind all this. And Joe's gone soft on China. And all of these big companies, Viacom, Time Warner, Comcast, if you raise this issue, they say, no, no, no. Don't look at China. Look at Russia. It's Russia that's really behind this. And Bill Barr is sitting on this conspiracy, this web of corruption. He doesn't think we deserve to know this before an election. I like Barr. I respect Barr. But this seems really critical to casting your vote. I know he wants to be nice because what happened in 2016 shouldn't happen in 2020. But I feel like Republicans are too nice. We play by these rules like we're playing croquet and we're all in whites and we're hitting the ball through the wicket. And all of a sudden the Democrats come over here with the mallets and just smash us in the head. We're never going to win if we don't play like that.
And we're never going to get the blood out of our whites either. Judge Jeanine, what do you think?
Well, I think of several things. Number one, the case is a very serious case with international implications. And I think that 2 years is indicative of how serious it is. And I think that in the end, you're going to find Hunter Biden in trouble for a lot more than just tax issues. I mean, both of his partners, when he was in business in New York State, had been convicted. One is already in jail. And that doesn't even touch the issues as it relates to China and Russia and Ukraine. But I think more important than that, I have to take issue with everyone who thinks Bill Barr is the greatest thing since sliced bread. He is not. In his 2 years as Attorney General, he did virtually nothing other than have a low-level guy by the name of Kevin Kleinsmith indicted in the Russia collusion delusion. And he actually came out, he's not supposed to, and said, I'm not going to investigate Joe or Obama for anything criminal. That is something he wasn't supposed to do. And as far as I'm concerned, he's a do-nothing Attorney General. My opinion.
Hey, Dana.
Right.
Hey, Dana.
All right.
Hey, Dana.
Yes, sir.
I have a suggestion for President Trump. He should pardon Hunter. He should pardon Hunter next week.
Great idea.
Yeah. Why doesn't he do that? I mean, think about how amazing that would be before anything goes forward, just to pardon him. I would be incredible. I would love to see that.
It would be.
Why, to thank them for what they did to Don Jr.? I don't think so.
It's very Christ-like.
What are you smoking, Greg? What are you smoking?
It is. It is the holiday season. All right.